How to review your activity history on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your activity history on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click activity log, and here you will find view activity history. Click on it, and as you see here you can view it, and you can it's easy of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.